birthday, bebé. Solo para desearte feliz cumpleaños. Te deseo lo mejor en este mundo y que Dios te colme de muchas bendiciones, salud y sobre todo para seguir viendo otros cumpleaños. Te tengo una sorpresa. El video no termina aquí, sigue rodando. Entonces, nada, te quiero mucho, sabes que te amo con todo el corazón y rueda el video. Ahí va.
Happy day, Adam.
Hi, Adam.
Say something.
Happy birthday, Adam.
Oh, we just want to let you know that we're thinking about you on your birthday. Happy birthday.
There.
See? And make sure you celebrate and
Don't get too drunk.
don't get too drunk. Have a good time and be safe. And just enjoy yourself. Happy birthday. Happy 36th birthday.
Happy birthday and viva cumpleaños. Kininhan mi gitagwahan. Arriba, arriba, andale, andale. One Adam 12, one Adam 12.
We miss you here. What else do I say?
Huh? Imuna 36 anos sa pago.
If you were here, we would go out dancing and
There. Say
had a good time. Okay, ready? No. Okay. That's not it. It's on the solo.
my fire.
Great. Great. Okay, ready? Okay, is he gonna come out with the song now? There. Play on news. Great. Get down. Don't worry, he's just. Okay. Okay, ready? Be back. No. Get.
Hey.
Hey. Great. Okay, anyway, I think that's it, Adam. Happy birthday and bye, Gregory. Have fun. We'll talk to you later. Bye. Hey, Adam. I just wanted to wish you a very special happy. I think you're 36 now. Is it 36? Oh my gosh, you're so old. Anyway, I wanted to wish you a very special happy birthday. Make sure that you have a firecracker for me and a bottle of wine for the both of us, okay? Enjoy yourself. Be safe, because I know you always do crazy things like you always do. And just give Gregory a big hug from me and from the entire family, because he put me up to this. You ready? Okay, let's sing for you, okay? Ready? Here we go. Okay, wait, that's too late. Shoot. Anyway, ready? Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
This is for you, Adam. Want to wish you a very happy birthday. We miss and love you and hope that we get to see you soon. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Adam. Happy birthday to you. Love you. Bye.
Off day, Prim. It's currently midnight, and I just finished studying for the 1,000 tests that I have this week and a bunch of homework. But I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. I miss and love you, and I hope to see you soon.
Afadu. Happy birthday. Love you, miss you.
Espero que te haya gustado el video, como te lo tenía prometido hace un momento. Y nada, espero que te haya gustado esas felicitaciones. Y sabes que te amo. Gracias por existir, bebé. querido, bebé, todo el tiempo te amo. Bye.